welcome. This is like the very first day of our SReXperts event here in Rome. So we are here in the really big exhibition room, right? So what we have here on the way at the back is all the new hardware. So we have the latest and greatest. You can feel and touch the products. All the way over there, we have our Nuage friends. We have our Nuage networks are showing our SD WAN, our data center solution. Way back in the corner there, we have Deepfield, our network analytics, and we have NSP, our SDN controller network management platform. So all of this in one single room here at SReXperts in Rome. What's always the big thing is the hardware, right? So every year we make an effort to give you the latest and greatest of hardware products. So we have here Jeff. Jeff, lead us through, what do we have this year at SReXperts? Right?
So Roland, we have some very exciting additions to the portfolio this year to talk about. New in the portfolio, just released this year, the 7250 IXR-S. It's 1RU, 48 SFP plus SFP ports, and 6x100 gig E. If we move back here, we have two additional platforms on the screen that we're also launching this year. Both of them are called the IXR-E. They're part of our next generation 5G mobile backhaul product portfolio. Both will be really essential additions to our overall small product portfolio. Right. If we move over to our next big announcement, by the end of this year, we're going to 3 terabits half duplex with FP4, over 6 times better improvement in terms of performance. It really gets us best-in-class centralized resources, best-in-class power consumption, and of course all of this is delivered in a very deterministic way for everything that we do for all the services that are configured. In front of me, I have 2 new systems here. Okay. We talked about both of these last year at the launch for FP4. This one on the left is the SR1S. This one here is powered, up and passing traffic right now. We actually have 15 tera worth of traffic going in between all of the 7750 and 7950 systems we have. By the end of the year, our 2.4 tera system will actually transition to be 3 tera, full duplex. To the right of me, I have an SR2S. We've done some control enhancements to the system. Now, fully modular CPMs are going to be delivered on the first release of this system. We have a new IOM that goes into these, and it turns what would have been a 2-slot system with the 2S into a 4-slot system. We have another XMA. This is for our XRS, for our core router. This is 2 ports of 1 terabit clear channel. It's an industry-leading card that will go into our XRS core router. So this XMA will plug into any of the XMA slots on the XRS here. Again, providing a terabit, 2 ports of 1 tera clear channel into the 7950 XRS. I'll pass this to you, Roland.
Yeah, I have some customers who want it.
So here we have our 6-port CFP8 card at the top, 6 ports of 400 gig clear channel, also up and running here in our 15 tera snake that we have in between all of our platforms. At the bottom, our 24-port QSFP universal card. Again, any service, any port here, any speed. And lastly, we have the SR12E. This FP4 and the SR12E shipping today. Here we have an IOM5E with 2 12-port QSFP28 cards inserted into it. Again, one of the enhancements we're doing with FP4 going to 3 tera is that on this system with the IOM5E, the IOM5E will now support 1.5 tera full duplex in any given slot, and those are the big additions at this year's edition of SReXpert.
Well, this section is really interesting. It features our NSP web applications. They span a wide variety of functions, from building your network to controlling what runs through your network, building all your services, visualizing everything, trying to lead the users right to where they need to go to make the most out of their network equipment, and to deal with emergency situations like congestion across peer links that could cause drop traffic. Highlighting the usability of our applications, the features, new automations, new visualizations, are all found down this section.
Hi, Stefan.
Hi, Roland.
Hi. So we are here at SReXperts, and Deepfield is really our, well, big new baby.
Yeah, kind of new.
Stefan, what's all this Deepfield thing about, really? Right?
Okay, so what we are showing here is our cloud intelligence platform, operational intelligence, and DDoS protection, so network border protection from DDoS attacks. So cloud intelligence is about identifying traffic, where it really comes from, map it to CDNs, map it to sites and services, and measure the quality of experience that is received by subscribers and end customers. Operational intelligence on top of it provides you alerting to this. So if something goes wrong, then Deepfield identifies it, automatically alerts the NOC people that something's wrong or broken in the network. In addition to these kind of network outages, Deepfield identifies DDoS attacks that come in from external sources like other ASs, and attacks that come in from internal resources like IoT devices in the customer base attacking your network infrastructure. This is basically what we are showing in these demos here.
We also have here Nuage Networks. What are you guys showing here this year?
Well, SD WAN is really one of the hot items for the last year, but it has been increasing. All customer service providers are looking into SD WAN as their next service offering. And it has a big potential to disrupt the market. It's really about customer experience. It's bringing IT to the VPN market. So really an exciting time to be at.
Excellent. Oh, here at SReXperts, we also have a number of sponsors here, which are happy to receive them here. So we have here at our first booth, we have Radware. Hi, Celeste. Hi, nice meeting you. Next sponsor here is Spirent. Spirent Terbios, because we are using actually quite a bunch of their test toys. Test toys, did I say toys? No, test tools I mean, right? So here also we have Achille from Intel. Yeah, we're working with them. A lot of stuff we are doing here with them in and Pierre. Hi Pierre, nice seeing you. Intel here at the booth. We also have Fortinet as one of our sponsors. With Fortinet we integrate quite a number of their platforms in our Nuage network solution. So, this has been SReXperts. We have the packed demo room here, so we had a look at Nuage Networks. We had a look at Deepfield, we had a look at NSP, which has been a big theme on the latest SReXperts with their network programmability, network automation, and obviously we had all our latest and greatest hardware kit here with us. So, if you have the opportunity, come and see us at the SReXperts.